With the hard work being done by the military both at home and abroad, it is somewhat apt that they should be able to source loans without the added stress of going through a credit check. The availability of no credit check loans to members of the military effectively means that a loan is at their fingertips, but there are still financial aspects that need to be kept in mind. The idea of loans that require no credit checks is not completely exclusive to the military or government services sector. In fact, they are available to the ordinary consumer too. The simple fact is that loans free of credit checks are only available because the borrower can make repayments directly through their salary check, removing the risk of the borrower failing to pay. Loan type explained quite simply. A no-credit check loan is a loan that requires no check to be made on the credit history of the applicant. It seems a bit strange that a bank or lending institution would be willing to provide a loan blind. However, this is not necessarily the case. A lender has little interest in the type of person a loan applicant is. All that matters to them is that the repayment schedule is kept to, and their money is paid back. That is why this kind of loan tend to be available to those with guaranteed employment, with military personnel a perfect example. Because military means government, the applicant is unlikely to lose their jobs. This makes receipt of the monthly repayments a practical certainty. With such confidence, lenders can easily afford to offer loans free of credit checks. Risks for the borrower. Of course, nothing in this world is for free, and a no-credit check loan is still a loan that needs to be repaid. To that extent, there is a responsibility to repay and a chance, though much reduced, of default. Thinking that check-free loans means free money is a big mistake. For this reason, it is essential that anyone considering getting such loans understand exactly what they are. First of all, loans that require no credit checks are always small, perhaps extending to around $2,000. Secondly, the loan itself is expected to be repaid in as short a period of time as just 90 days. In fact, loans free of credit checks are in essence payday loans, with repayments taken from paychecks each month. While payday loans are usually repaid in full in one go, these loans can be paid back over 2, 3 or even 4 paychecks. With such a short term for repayment, and such a low sum, these loans are designed for emergency financial situations. Conditions of the loan. As with every type of loan, there are set criteria that must be met before any no-credit check loan can be approved. While credit history may not be a factor, proof of income is. Without this, there is no chance of being successful because loans that require no credit checks only exist when repayment is practically guaranteed. The other conditions to be met before loans free of credit checks can even be considered are proof of citizenship and proof that the applicant is age over 18. Once these are established, the lender will begin the approval process, and news of the approval can be received within just 24 hours. What is also important to remember is that the particularly salary an applicant has is what makes the loan possible. Therefore, it is wise only to seek a loan sum that is affordable and does not cause other obligations to be missed. A no-credit check loan has many advantages, but a cool head still needs to be applied.